Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve location on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of location on Facebook, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Facebook and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your